After you watch the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hi, welcome to the Quadrilla Construction Company. I'm Evan, and I will be taking you through how Quadrilla Marble Runs work, with the types of blocks, parts, track, and other interesting things about Quadrilla. If you want to build a Quadrilla Marble Run, these are the videos to go to. Last time, we learned about all of the basic blocks that can be used in a Quadrilla Marble Run and what it could be used for. We also talked about the plug and the accelerators. In this video, we will learn about the purple element, also known as purple plates. These blocks are mainly used for two important things in Quadrilla construction: alignment and stability. They are included in almost every Quadrilla set. If you want to keep tracks level, use purple elements. Here are a couple of pro tips for the use of purple elements. If you want to add a piece of track while only putting the track through one of the holes instead of two, you can use a base and a certain amount of blocks. You can tell how many blocks are needed by counting the blocks in the part where you will be building the track. You can also tell how many purple plates you need by counting the pieces of track in the selected area. Now let's make a marble run with purple plates. First of all, start with two bases. Put a yellow block in one of them and an orange block in another. Put a marble catcher in the yellow block. Then put a small rail on the yellow and orange block like this. Then put a yellow block on top of the orange block and make sure the ending place faces the track. Afterward, set down another base and put two orange blocks on top of it. Now this is where the purple plate comes in. Since there's one track, you need to put the purple plate on top of the other orange block. Then put down another small rail and put a yellow block on where the orange blocks and purple plate are standing. Now all you gotta do is test it out. And now, a point of advice. For Quadrilla to work best, all the tracks have to be level. Once again, if you want marbles to move faster, use accelerators instead of sloping the tracks. Last but not least, you could substitute 5 purple elements for an orange block since they serve the exact same purpose. If you don't want marbles to fall down to another track using an orange block, you can use another block instead of 5 purple plates. Well, that was pretty much it for the introduction to purple plates. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Next time, we will be taking a look at a couple blocks called the red switching block and the teeter-totter, and we will be making some marble runs with those two pieces. This is Evan, signing out.